So today I'm about to show you how to check character limits in NotebookLM prompts. First, open NotebookLM and enter your workspace. When you click into the main chat box, at the bottom of the screen, type a question. Keep in mind that NotebookLM has a massive chat prompt capacity up to 10,000 characters. However, the chat window does not feature a live visual character counter while you type. If you paste a massive prompt and it exceeds the technical cap, the interface will instantly block the message and display an error. To safely check your character counts before submitting, simply type your complex prompt inside an external text editor. Pro tip, if you want to bypass the chat box length restrictions entirely, to run a highly complex multi-step prompt, do not paste it into the chat box. Instead, paste your massive set of instructions into a blank document. Title the file NotebookLM task and upload it. And that's it. That's how to check character limits in NotebookLM prompts. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.